Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to check review history on Google Maps. If you want to check your review history on Google Maps, you can see all the reviews you've posted from your Google account. Here's how. So open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use when posting the review. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and select your profile. So this is where you can view your Google Maps activity. So once you're here, scroll down until you see reviews. So this is where you can see all the reviews you've posted. So scroll through the list to find an older review. Then tap a review to open it and view the rating, written review, photos, and location. If you want to make changes, tap the three dot menu next to the review, just like so, and choose Edit Review to change your rating or comments. So this is where you can change your comments, your ratings, etc. So you can also select Delete Review if you no longer want it on Google Maps. So just click the three dots in the top right corner and select Delete Review and click OK to confirm the action. And then that review will be deleted.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
If you can find a review, double check that you're using the same Google account you originally used to post it. So again, just click your profile picture in the top right corner, scroll down a bit and tap your profile. Then scroll down from here and you should see all of your reviews. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.